People are entitled to their opinions and they would say anything just about anything on anything. So see to it that you develop deaf ears and focus. Good morning, welcome to the Immileko Show, where we give you motivation 24/7, 365. At Immileko Show, we make you discover the hidden power in you, because we know and believe that the power is in you. Yeah, we give you information, we give you education through infotainment, that's enlightenment, and of course, entertainment. So we want to make sure that we work with you to make things work out for everybody. It's a beautiful big family that is growing by the numbers every day. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for the support we are receiving from different angles of the world. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We are the voice of the voiceless. We have you covered. Thank you. Yeah, so the motivation for today is every human being is a master of their own destiny. So see to it that every time you live your life, you do anything that you do, you see to it that you believe in yourself, because you are the master of your own destiny. Okay? People are entitled to their opinions and they would say anything just about anything on anything. So see to it that you develop deaf ears and focus on your goal, because you are the master of your own destiny. It's you who can make things different and real. So we believe in you. We love to see you succeed and progress every time. That is it. The fact that other people have things, they've accumulated wealth, they've beautiful cars, they've got nice houses, they've got different achievements, it should just be taken as proof that you can also do it, but not to feel jealousy. Okay, see to it that when somebody is doing fine, be happy, be proud, to clap for them, for the success they've achieved. Be there as a brother, be there as a caring brother who cares. Be a brother still. You know, in this very, very, very tough life now, to the majority of the people, see to it that you maintain your inner peace, because it's everything for you. Make sure that you have your inner peace covered. Every time you should find a reason why you have to be happy. Every time, always find a reason why you have to be happy, because happiness is inside out. Okay, so never bow down to what everybody else says, because people are entitled to their opinions, and you are the master of your own destiny. So what matters is what the central voice sends to the rest of your body cells. So the central voice in this case is the mind. Okay, your mind is the controller of everything in you. So see to it that you feed your mind with what is right. See to it that you speak positive about your own life, because your life is your business. We love to see you happy, we love to see you succeed. This is how it's supposed to be. So people have said different things to so many great men that have lived on Mother Earth. What did they do? They developed deaf ears to make sure that they focus on their goals. And that is what we expect from you. With compliments of the Immileko Show, we are happy to be associated with you, and we'll be giving you motivation 24/7, 365. This is no joke, this is serious business to us. Yeah, so let me just give you a simple scenario on how the human body works. What happens is every time you get stressed, every time you have pressure from different angles of life, dates, rentals and bills and things like that, you have so much pressure, family, work pressure, whatever pressure which you may have at any particular time, including the economy that is biting so hard now. What happens is whenever your body is stressed, that automatically makes the immune system weak. So every time you are stressed, the immune system gets weak. So when your immune system gets weak, your body becomes very vulnerable to any attack of any disease. So see to it that every time you should find a reason to be happy. Be happy, build inner peace in yourself every second of your life. Why? Because the happiness in you, the moment you build the inner happiness, you also be emitting or sending the same signal to the universe of a happy person that is believing in their vision, of a happy person who is the master of their own destiny, a happy person that is ready to conquer, Every time you face hard times, always find a reason to be happy. How do you get happy? You should always practice gratitude. That is to appreciate the good things that have happened to your life, to appreciate your life, to appreciate the happy times that you scored in your life. So make sure that you think every time you have a hard time, find a reason to be happy. Okay? So positive energy is always emitted. So see to it that your mind is full of positive energy, no negativity. Okay? So see to it that you do this deliberately 3. That is by engaging your conscious mind to make sure that you envision your dreams, you project your dreams and start feeling and visualizing the dream. Live within your future. So what I mean is that even when you make goals, there should not be goals that I want to build a house next year. Don't write your goals like this. Make sure that you write your goals in a very, very proper manner in the present tense. Okay? So, for example, this year I want to build a house. Okay, as the resolution for 2025. So by the end of 2025, I want to build a house. So the way you bring it out is that 1, your goal should be very, very clear. 2, it should have a time frame. Okay? So for example, you'd say you want to build a house in December 2025. Okay, so you say, I am very happy and grateful that I have built my 5-bedroom house in Chongwe or in Ibex Hills of Lusaka. And this house is so beautiful, I love it so much. You should even have the color of the roofing. You should even have the color of the entire house. You should have a picture of how the entire surrounding looks. That is how you write a goal. I am very happy and grateful that I have built a house. Okay? And now you need to bring yourself to that time. Take yourself to that time, to that future. Start feeling it. Start visualizing. Feel as if you live in that house. Enter the house. Close your eyes. Enter the house. Feel as you move in the passages. Feel. Go into that beautiful kitchen. Look at what the things are there. Smell the good aroma of sweet food that's being prepared for you. Look at the living room and the people seated there. Happy people watching whatever they are watching. See to it that you live in that future. And then now you start going back to the present, and so that you can properly join the dots. Because we can only join the dots by moving backwards. So that is the message that I have for you. See to it that you're happy every time. This is your life and it is your business, and you are the master of your own destiny, and we believe in you and the power is in you. A lot of interesting topics will be broadcasted in this show to make sure that we build the best out of you. It is our plea, it is our interest to see that you're a happy person every time, each and every day. Thank you so much. I appreciate your company. Make sure you subscribe before leaving your screen. Thank you.